ಕೆಆರ್ಪುರದ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಆಧಾರಿತ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾದರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ಕಲಿಕೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನಾನಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು. ಪೋಷಕರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರವಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ. ವಿಶ್ವ ಪರಿಸರ ದಿನ, ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಾಧಾರಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ತರಗತಿಗಳು, ಆಧುನಿಕ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಹೊಸ ಮಾದರಿ. ವಿದ್ಯಾವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ.
Two children are studying in this school from almost 3 years. I could see there is a lot of differences when it comes to their education. Both have grasped so much that today I can say that this is the best education they have got from this school. I would request and I would recommend this school for many other parents on my behalf. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Muskan. I am studying in Vidya Vignan School. I feel blessed that I got an opportunity to study in this school because the environment of our school make me feel that it is place where my bright future is decided. Not only the importance even for studies but also other activities such as dancing, social interaction and other this thought from here important to lead a successful life. These skills were came to be my our expected teachers. I am getting such a perfect student life. I also wish to children of my age should experience this. I would definitely suggest our school to my friends and neighbors. I finish my conversation with thanks to our whole management by school.